Hello everyone, welcome to Efficient User. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what's new features coming in ECMAScript 2021. For this, we are just visited this GitHub repository. So it's the username TC39, and we are just going to look into the latest ECMAScript version. Here we'll be having lots of proposals, so we are just going to look into the finished proposal. So in the finished proposal, we will see one by one in upcoming videos. For today, we are going to see this particular feature, String.prototype.replaceAll. So let's open it. Here, it is clearly mentioned like what is the purpose of this feature, how it got evolved from the thing. So let's open this Stack Overflow question. So the user had mentioned like why he had created this replace option. So in JavaScript, we have a option to replace a text of the first occurrence. If you want to do a multiple occurrence, we basically need a regex or like some iterations. So it looks like they had updated the answers based on the latest releases also. But we will see the existing versions basically. So here they have a few text like this, a long text. Basically, they want to replace ABC and they want to replace it in multiple occurrence as well. So existing features is not feasible to do that by simply using replace. So they added some regex. To demonstrate it, let's open a new project and we are going to create a blank JavaScript project now. Okay, we don't need all these stuffs. We are just going to delete it and we will just close this UI. We are going to have some variable. Let's have some test hello. We can have some text ABC, some random text. We're just going to write it in console. Message. Let's open the console. So we can able to see the exact text has been shown here. In the native thing, if you want to replace test this particular word means what we can do is like we can just type replace. We could see the autocomplete here. Replace. After that, we need to mention the word. So when you type something, you could able to see some undefined here. That's the part of JavaScript. You need to handle it. So this would be like a source text and the replace text basically. So we are going to change test to hello with capital H. So if you could see here, when this particular line has been executed, it will look for the test word and it will replace it with the word hello. But if I want to do it in multiple occurrences, for example, test is showing up here in two places, but in the output it's replaced only in one place. If you want to replace in multiple places, earlier we used to have regex something like this. For example, let's copy this and we will have a regex here. Here they mentioned the ABC, we will change it as test. So if we could see now, this particular two words has been replaced based on the regex and it matches all the cases and it showed the output here. So in ECMAScript 2021, they come up with some feature called replace all. So if we use replace all, it should eventually do the same operation. Let's see it. We are just going to make it as message.replace all. I'm going to mention it as test, comma, hello. So if we could see now, both the results are same now. Hello is test word is replaced with hello. So now all I can do is like we can just simply mention replace all and replace all the text which is matching the cases basically. So this is one of the interesting feature. Even though it is a small feature, it will be like a more helpful feature because people who are doing this kind of operations in their string manipulation or like handling the string. I think it will be a very interesting future. Give it a try and watch the upcoming videos, which we will be discussing more about the remaining features like promise.any, weak references, logical assignment operator, and numeric separators. Thanks for watching. Make sure you try out and leave your feedbacks in the comment section below. Thank you.